Hello friends, so today we're going to be learning about bathroom. Bathroom is a room which is used for bathing and toilet. Shower. It is a spray of water to wash ourselves. Soap. It creates lather which helps to clean ourselves. Toilet. It is used to urinate or defecate and flush away the waste into a sewer. A towel. It is a piece of thick cloth used for drying one's things. Wash basin. A bowl attached with a tap for washing our face and hands. Tap. It is a device from where water flows and can be controlled. Thank you for watching.